This is Nancy with Fix This House, and we are spot priming the walls of this bedroom and also the ceiling, but the ceiling's almost done. It's knotty pine walls, and so we've been going through and rolling out all of the knots that are in the wood, and then we are rolling, mostly rolling, let's see, here's what we decided on. We roll across here, right below the chair rail type thing, and then roll down this groove right there, and then go back, have somebody else who's got a brush who's going over it afterwards. Let me show you real quick what we're doing. Here's the little brush, and we're spot priming the knots so that they'll end up getting 2 coats of paint. And then when we come to primer, and when we come to a groove for the wall, we're going this and then sideways to fill it in as much as possible.
Yeah.
And then somebody comes along with a brush and brushes down these grooves, especially this one on the right, which is where there's a knot. And then afterwards, if there's still a lot of gaps, we're gonna be filling them with some caulk. So that is what we're doing here. Across there. Like so, and getting all the knots covered up so that they don't leak through. All right, this would be, I guess, part 2 of our videos on painting this room. And the ceiling is just about primed, and so we're starting the walls. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, write them down below, and be on the lookout for the finished videos or the future videos that will show us finishing it up and how well it looks afterwards, we hope. Thanks for watching.